This exercise, you're going to use those lighter weights that we grabbed, and we're going to be incorporating a lateral arm raise and a forward arm raise. We're going to try to do it for 1 minute. That minute starts right now. Lifting and lifting. Our goal here is not to use those big, strong shoulder trap muscles. Don't let them come forward. Think about your chest lifting up towards the ceiling and your arms lifting and those shoulders staying down. You can find a little bit of an athletic stance by taking your tailbone towards the floor, slightly bending the knees, and feeling a small pelvic tilt. Lifting the chest, shoulders down. Don't need a lot of weight for this exercise. If you're feeling pain or if you're feeling some pinging in the shoulder, try doing this with no weight at all and see how long you can get your wingspan. How long can you be from fingertip to fingertip? We're almost there, and that, my friends, is 1 minute.